the Universal Church in the UK felt compelled to help our neighbours in Ukraine, in some way or another, to alleviate their distress at this time. In a matter of days, you were able to help us pull things together quickly. Over 2.5 tons of donations. We spent days packing and loading everything up, ready to go on the journey by road to the Polish-Ukrainian border.
The Lord Jesus spoke to us about helping our neighbor. When we speak about the word neighbor, we think about the person who lives next to us. But actually, when he gave the example who the neighbor is, he made us understand that it's anyone who needs help. So the reason why we felt compelled to send over 2.5 tons of humanitarian aid to the Ukraine is because we saw what is happening there, and we also saw that we could do something. And that's why the members of the UCKG came together to provide this help.
The team then set off from Finsbury Park, London, making their way to cross by ferry into Calais, France.
Alrighty, so we have just arrived in the city of Calais in France. It's now quite late, so we're going to take a break. We're going to get some rest for the night. But then tomorrow morning we'll be up early, leaving to our final destination, which of course is Poland.
The journey continued through Belgium, the Netherlands and Germany before arriving in a town called Radymno in Poland. This was where the donations were then handed over to another charity, who were then to deliver the items into Ukraine.
We're just a few minutes away from Radymno, which is the place where we're going to be dropping off all the donations that we've collected. So we've arrived. We are at the logistics park where we are dropping off all the goods that were donated. And of course, tomorrow, these things, they're going to be taken to the city of Lviv inside of Ukraine, and they're going to help the people who need them there and of course elsewhere in Ukraine.
The team were also able to visit the Medica refugee camp, the largest one along the Polish-Ukrainian border.
Right now, we are at the refugee camp where many volunteers and different charities are receiving the refugees that are crossing the border, which actually is just a few hundred yards down that way. And that's exactly where the donations that you gave are going to be going across today to the city of Lviv, where they're going to be given to people that need them, of course, and of course distributed to other cities and towns inside of Ukraine. It's really important that they have people that are thinking about them, that are wanting to help, wanting to give, wanting to make sure that this difficult time there's at least a little bit of comfort in it.
It was a long and tiring journey, but truly worth the sacrifice. Your help has gone a long way to fulfill what Jesus teaches us to do. And for this, we thank you all.